Hi guys, for today's video ay share ko po sa inyo kung paano po mag-apply ng or fill up ng form ng tax info. Kung may na-receive po kayong sa Gmail nyo na resubmit tax info or may nakikita po kayo na kulay pula dun sa inyong AdSense payment account, ay click nyo lang po siya and then sundan nyo po yung step by step kung paano po siya ma-fill upan at tangan nyo pong i-renew until December 31, 2024. Kasi may expire na po siya. Yan, let's go guys. Meron po ako na-receive nito kay YouTube ng expired at the end of 2024. Kailangan po natin i-update yung ating tax document. Ayan, nung dapat natin gawin, magsa-sign in lang po tayo kay AdSense YouTube account, tapos click po yung payment. Then, manage setting, scroll payment profile, click po natin yung United States tax form. Then, manage tax info, submit new form. Ito po yung mga step by step natin gagawin na magko-consume siya ng 15 to 20 minutes. And kung napansin nyo guys, meron ako ditong red na action required. There's something to check in your AdSense payment account. Ito po yun. So, yun yung aking dating report. Mag-go to payment tayo. I-click natin yung go to payment. At ayan po yung lalabas. Payment account. Dahil nandito po ako sa Korea lang po yung nakalagay ko dyan sa YouTube ko. And then payment. Yung kulay red nakalagay po dyan is tax form expired on December 31, 2024. Google may need and withhold up to 30% of your payouts and hold payouts completely until you submit a new tax form and approve it. So, eto, i-click po natin yung new form. Click lang yung new form. Ito yung makikita nyo, manage tax info. Meron po dyan nakalagay na Singapore, pero hindi na po natin yan i-click. Dito po tayo sa United States. Ayan pa rin yung nakalagay niya, expired on December 31. Click natin yung start new form. Ayan, before you start, taking 15 to 20 minutes and keep your account secure. Ayan po, yung mga nakasulat dyan. So, hindi, basahin nyo na lang para mas mabilis matapos. Start form. Lalabas po yung Google Gmail account nyo dyan. I-click po natin yung login. Ayan, pagkatapos natin mag-login, next po, next. At ayan na po yung step-by-step payment, setting, manage tax info, United States tax info. Yan. To find the right tax form, answer the few questions first. Ayan nga po. So, what type of account is Crisanta? Individual po i-click natin yan. Then, next. Are you citizen or resident of the United States? No. And then, next. Select W-A tax form type. Based on your previously selected answer, 8-8 form is needed. Ayan. 8-8. Etong una po yung click natin. Ito yung nakasulat dyan. This form is most commonly used by non-US individuals and would be also be used to claim tax treaty benefit. Then, start W-Ben form. Yan guys. Tax identity, syempre yung name natin. Ito naman dito, individual name shown. Optional, kahit hindi na po natin lagyan. Tapos, country and region of citizenship. Nandito po ako sa Korea, kaya Korea ilalagay ko. Pero kung nasa Pilipinas po kayo, Philippine po yung isi-search nyo. Ayan, South Korea nilagay ko. Yan, tax identification number. Kung wala naman po kayo TIN, optional lang nakalagay dyan. So, ang nilagay ko po dyan is passport number. Then, click yung next. Ayan. So, permanent residence address. Dahil nandito nga po ako sa Korea, South Korea, then yung address ko. Ganun din po sa inyo kung Philippines po kayo. And then, kung anong street, anong suite, apartment, eto, din lalagay nyo. Ayan. Pagkatapos nyo po ilagay yung complete address nyo, i-check nyo rin tong mailing address, same as permanent address. Check nyo po siya. Then, click din yung next. Ayan yung pangatlo, guys. Tax treaty. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? I-click po din natin. Dito ay yung, yes, I am eligible for a reduced withholding rate. And then, lagay po natin kung saan tayong country. Siyempre, South Korea. Pag Philippines, guys, Philippines po ilalagay nyo ha, pag sa Philippines kayo. And then, click din natin itong resident of the following country within the meaning of the income tax rate between the United States and that country. Yan nga, South Korea. And then, baba tayo. Dito naman yung special rates and condition. You may exempt or have a taxes withheld at a reduced rate on a certain income tax earned within the US. I-check po natin tong other copyright royalties, and then click natin tong arrow. Hanapin lang po natin yung i-click natin yung Article 14 and Paragraph 2, then yung withholding rates 10% reduced treaty. Then ito, check din po natin yung as tax resident of the country identified section. Yan. Then dito naman po sa service and other business income, check po natin siya. May nakalabas po dyan na Article 8 and Paragraph 1. Okay, and then withholding rates 0, reduced treaty rate po yung i-click natin dyan. And then the reason kung saan tayo meets in the term of the treaty article, i-check po natin itong box na to. And then itong box naman po ng motion pictures and TV royalties article and paragraph 14, and i-click lang po natin yung lumabas dyan. And then yung withholding rate niya is 10% reduced. Depende po yan sa bansa. Iba-iba yung lumalabas pong article and paragraph pong nandyan. Pag sa Pilipinas nung nakikita ko is article 13 and paragraph 2, tapos 15% lang po yung mga reduced treaty nila. Dahil dito ako sa Korea, yan po yung lumalabas na And then reason, check po natin yan. Ayan, nawala na yung kulay pula. And then click yung next. Mari-review natin yung mga nilagay po natin dyan, and then may edit kung ano yung kulang at dapat. So dito na tayo sa number 4, activities and service performed in US. Krisanta Kim perform any activity services in Google within US and they expect the future. Wala po kasi nandito lang ako. So i-click po natin yung no, and I certify the service provided by Google or its affiliates will be performed solely outside the US and that any labor or capital. Ayan po. And then click natin yung next. Tax reporting naman po, US tax document delivery preference. Yan, Google may send a year and add tax. Yan, i-click po natin yung go paperless para mas mabilis. Then scroll down po natin tong dito mga info. And then, I accept. Basahin po natin kung ano yung mga nila dyan. Rules and regulation, consent, and effective until. Yung mga nilalaman yan. And I accept. Yung box po ng I accept the paperless delivery agreement. Kasi mas mabilis po yung paperless kaysa mag-antay po tayo ng mail. And then, click the next again. Ayan na yung lalabas. Then, i-check po natin, I confirm that I have reviewed and generated tax document of the best my knowledge and belief they are true and correct and complete. Yan, check po natin siya. Pag kinlik po natin yan, ito yung lalabas. Ayan. So, pagtas, basahin, i-review na yan. Balik. And then, ayan nga po, I confirm and review the general. Then, next na ulit. Certify and sign tax form certification under penalties and perjury. I declare that I have examined information for in this form and the best of my knowledge to believe in true, correct, complete. I further certified under penalties and perjury that. Ayan po, babasahin natin kung ano yung nilalaman yan, and then check po natin yan. Kailangan basahin natin lahat po ng mga nilalaman din yan, and I agree with that. I will submit a new form within 30 days if any certification made of this become incorrect. Ayan. Nang i-check tong unchanged status affidavit, nandun na po tayo sa baba. Your signature, check po natin, yes, ayan, the beneficial, owner name, and the tax identity section. Okay. Then, ilagay po natin yung name natin dito, type natin. Then, submit. Ayan, click submit. Ito na yung lalabas dyan, guys, and your tax info have been accepted Yan, status approved ngayon. October 29, 2024. Tapos, expired siya ng December 31, 2027. Yan na nga guys, pagtas na pinapill upan po yung ating form, mawawala na po yung kulay pula na nandun nakalagay sa ating AdSense na kailangan natin i-confirm. And then, at sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag fill up, mag-fill up na po kayo kasi hanggang December 31 lang po yung update ni AdSense na yon. May marireceive naman po kayo, check nyo po yung mga email nyo. Kung wala kayo i-receive email, makikita nyo po yan. At kung na-approve na po yung inyong form, lalabas din po yun sa email. Thank you for watching guys.